boiling water into a pot. Place pot on stove and turn burner to medium-high heat. Add in a dash of salt and a little bit of olive oil. While you're waiting for the water to boil, measure out 1 cup of red lentil pasta. Now that the water is boiling, add the pasta. Give it a stir. Set the timer to 8 minutes, longer if you like softer pasta. Give the pasta a couple stirs every minute or so. After a few minutes have passed, sample a noodle to see how much it has cooked. Once the timer goes off, pour the pasta into a strainer. Rinse with cool water to prevent the noodles from overcooking. Transfer the noodles back into the pot and place onto stove with low heat. Vigorously add butter to the pasta. Add a dash of salt. Sprinkle in garlic powder, pepper, and give it a good stir. Right now is probably a good time to sample another noodle. To finish it off, add in about 1 cup of pasta sauce, some nutritional yeast, and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Place pasta into your favorite bowl, pour some wine, and enjoy. Subscribe to my page and let me know in the comments what you would like to see me make next. Thanks for stopping by.